pink type of. That's the vibe. 600. I'm ready for them. I want you and me more, Sarah, won't we? And I want you to be my one, my one and only. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Diane. I create lifestyle, fashion and beauty content. Welcome to another vlog. This is Abuja Vlogs. I don't know the number because fam I didn't even think I was going to be doing Abuja Vlogs so soon. If you've been keeping up with this channel, you know that I do UkraineLiving. I do UkraineLiving vlogs, basically Ukraine vlogs, and right now I'm in Abuja. Yeah, so I'm in Nigeria. I'm back home. Excited for that. But yeah, I'm back home. I came back I think a month ago in February due to the whole Ukraine-Russia war. Let me just look for where to keep this camera, because honestly I can't be holding it in my hand. I'm looking for my mini tripod. Let me find that. You guys, do you know that I was looking for my tripod? I forgot that I didn't bring it. I forgot that I left it in Ukraine. But anyhow, ignore my breakouts. I am seriously breaking out right now because I'm trying new products. But yeah, as I was saying, you guys, so because of the Ukraine-Russia war, which obviously everybody knows about, we had to flee Ukraine. Usually all the students and everybody, they had to flee Ukraine. So I came back home, so I had to come back to Nigeria. Some people are still in other European countries, but I came back to Nigeria. Anyhow, but yeah, so I'm here now, and honestly it's been crazy. Like, March was such a crazy month. In April right now, today is April, April 9th, and today is Saturday. So I didn't even post anything like throughout March. I didn't pick up my camera. I didn't have the vibe to vlog. Nothing. But yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? We are just praying. We are just praying that everything, you know, normalizes in Ukraine and the war stops. So hopefully we can go back, I guess. But yeah, for now I'm here, and I decided to vlog. I didn't bring back a lot of things. Actually didn't bring back a lot of things. Thank God I brought back my camera. I was not going to leave my camera, but yeah, I didn't get to bring back so many things because I honestly didn't think this war was going to last this long, can't lie. But anyhow, I ordered a few things this week. They came in, most of them came in yesterday. So I ordered tripods. I ordered a new light because I left my ring lights and my tripods in Ukraine, so I got a new light. I got LED lights anyway. I got a backdrop. Let me show you guys. So I got this backdrop. It's quite huge. It's quite big. So I got a backdrop, and I also got the LED lights, mainly for content creation, because I really missed creating content, like Instagram content. You guys, just when I said being consistent with YouTube and Instagram, Putin decided to do this. Putin decided to do us dirty. But yeah, I ordered these lights. I'm holding my camera, so I can't even show you guys well, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. LED 600. I think there are different types of these LED lights, but this was the one I saw for a reasonable price. This was 30k, I got it from an Instagram store. This is what it looks like. I really like it. I swear, it's literally so small, like literally so small, can't lie. And then it came with a tripod, so it's very nice. I tried it on yesterday and it's really bright, so I'm pretty excited about that. I have no issues whatsoever. Yeah, so it connects straight to power, and it also comes with 2 batteries in case NEPA wants to show me shaggy. I'm ready for them. So yes, I also ordered some makeup products. I brought some of my makeup products, but I left some in Ukraine as well. But this is just a bronzer I ordered for Ira. I guess this is a dupe for CoverGirl Ebony. I just said about it actually. And I also got Hege and Esther's brow gel. I've been wanting to try this, so it's about time. That's basically what I ordered. I ordered 2 tripods. No, 1 tripod for my phone, and then I ordered a backdrop which came with a backdrop stand, a tripod stand. What is this tripod for? Oh, this tripod is for the lights. Yeah, the tripod is for the lights, so I have 3 tripods now. Anyway, yeah, that's it. So that's it. Just wanted to update you guys. Is there anything else? There's nothing else. Just watching Real Housewives of Lagos. Pretty interesting. I'm just starting actually, so yeah, I will just continue watching that and then get my makeup done, film like my Instagram tutorial content and the rest of them, and then I'll probably go out here this evening when I'm done filming. Anyway, what's the time? It's 1:28. Wow, this is already 8 minutes in. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Saturday 16th. Yesterday was Good Friday. I don't know if you guys can see me because it's quite dark, but yeah, the time is after 9, 7 minutes after 9, and I just woke up. Kind of, I have flu. As you can see, like, I have flu, so my voice is not the best right now, guys. I had flu like last week. Yeah, I had flu last week, and then I treated it and it was gone. Then it came back this week again, and it's even worse this time. So I'm still treating it. I don't even understand what's going on. I don't know if it's the weather or what exactly is going on, but I've just been falling ill. Anyway, the sickness did not make me not do what I wanted to do. So yeah, this week that just passed was pretty productive, I would say. I told you guys, like last time I talked to you guys, I got my equipment for filming. So I filmed Instagram videos last week, and then I went out, I took a couple of pictures which I'm going to post on Instagram. I think I'll post them this week that's coming. You guys must have seen it already by the time I'll be dropping this vlog. What else? Yeah, and I just vlogged a bit. I vlogged a bit, but I didn't really vlog so much. I was just like vlogging bits and pieces with my phone. But yeah, my plans for the day, I'm supposed to have class today, yeah, Saturday, because we're having online classes now. But apparently there was an air alarm, sound alarm, and all of that in my city where my teacher is, so she had to cancel the class for today. You guys pray for Ukraine. I really hope everything gets better, because not only that I can't wait to leave this place, because bro, I can't wait, but like people are there that don't have like anywhere else to go. People that have like, they are literally, their whole life has been in Ukraine, they are literally stuck there. People need their homes back. Yeah, so I just really hope, like I'm just really praying that everything gets better. I mean, I want to finish school, can't lie, so I'm just like, oh. Anyway, speaking of school and everything, I'm starting med practice, like my observership or elective program stuff. I'm starting it next week. I'm also, after I filmed today, I'm filming today, so I want to film, like I have 3 Instagram videos to film. Hopefully they don't take light, because NEPA moving mad. For you know it now is when I sit down and I say, okay, I set my camera and I want to film. So now, God forbid, let me not jinx it, guys. But yeah, that's literally what I have to do today. I'll film, then I'll probably go out. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to go out. I'm supposed to go out to meet someone. We're supposed to have like a cooking type thing. I hope I finish filming early, because most times when I finish filming, I'm always just very, very tired. But we'll see how the day goes. Hopefully it goes well. Fingers crossed. Anyway, I feel like this is a really, really, really long talk. But yeah, let me go, guys. Bye. I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, so I just finished filming the first look. I have just 2 looks to film. I'm honestly just going to switch up the eyes and do a very simple nude look, and then I'll be filming the third video. Yeah, the third video that I have to film. And yeah, hope you guys like my eyes. I just did a very, I don't know, very pink type of vibe going on. But yeah, I'm just going to clean it off right now. I've taken pictures, I've done the video and everything, and then I'll be going. Guys, the time is 5 p.m. on the dot. When I spoke to you guys it was 9. But yeah, we're going to finish and we're going to edit and post. Okay, that's the vibe. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. Hello. Guys, we don't have a tripod, so we're going to manage this.
What are you doing?
Sorry.
You're my best mate.
I'm watching Euphoria.
But Harry.
Guys, I just started watching Euphoria, and when I tell you, I already love this show. Like, already love this show. Guys, I don't know why I'm yet to get a tripod, to be honest. I should get one already. But hey guys, hi. Today is Saturday, 23rd. Oh, I beg. 23rd of April. It's 10:30 right now. I had class since like as early as 8, so I had to wake up really early for class. But yeah, today is Saturday. I'm going for a wedding. I think it's by 2. Yeah, by 2, and right now it's 10:30, so I will go and take a shower and then dress up, do my makeup and everything. Hopefully I finish everything before like 1:30, at least 1:30. We'll see how the day is going to go. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye. guys, so I just finished dressing up. I wore my ghillie and my dress. I'm going to take pictures of like the whole outfit. Sorry, I just ran up the stairs. I'm going to take pictures and videos of the whole outfit when I get downstairs, so I'll see you guys. Bye.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call